Welcome to Priya Creations. Don't forget to like and subscribe and let me know which you like me to draw next.
Here I am using black color sketch pen to draw this design. This is flower border design. Draw the flower outline like this. Here I am drawing leaf shape. Draw the line like this. Here I am drawing small line. Draw the small leaf like this. Same design repeat here. Do you have any doubts regarding border designs or color pens? Comment on comment section. Draw the leaf shape like this. This was completed. Now I am using green color highlighter. Fill this upper part with green color highlighter. I am using green color highlighter. If you want, you can use any other colors. Color pen, brush pen, whatever you want. If you want any type of cover page designs or any type of cards, any type of border designs, comment on comment section. Fill like this. Here I am using green color pencil. Fill this down part with green color pencil. If you want, you can use any other colors, crayon, oil pastel, whatever you want. I am using color pencil. Now I am using red color brush pen. Fill this flower with red color brush pen. Fill like this. I am using yellow color brush pen. Now I am using white color oil pastel. I am shading with white color oil pastel. Shade like this. Now I am using scale and black color sketch pen for this one. Draw like a frame. Here I am using light blue color brush pen. I am shading with light blue color brush pen. Shade like this. Now I am using light blue color pencil. Fill this middle space with light blue color pencil. Fill like this. Draw the corners like this. I am using red color brush pen. I am shading with red color pencil. Shade like this. Here I am using black color sketch pen to draw this design. Draw the small flower like this. Draw the petal like this. Flower outline is completed. Here I am drawing leaf shape. Here I am drawing small flower. Draw the flower outline like this. I am using black color sketch pen for this outline. If you want, you can use any other colors. I am drawing leaf shape. Draw the leaf shape like this. Now I am using red color brush pen. Here I am using yellow color brush pen, dark yellow color. Shade like this. Now I am using light yellow color brush pen. Fill this flower with light yellow color brush pen. Same color repeat here. Follow me on Instagram, link given in the description box. Now I am using dark green color brush pen. Here I am using green color highlighter. Fill this leaf shape with green color highlighter. Fill like this. Now I am using scale and black color sketch pen for this line. Draw like a frame. Put a dots with black color sketch pen. If you want, you can use marker pen. Now I am using violet color pencil. I am shading violet color pencil. shade
Thank
like
you so much
this.
for watching. Support me as liking, sharing